there, my name is Eva Singh and this is my first video. So I'm not telling you to like or subscribe, just draw a fish. So let's draw it. So first thing first, with the measure of my hand, I'm gonna make sure to do one thing. So I'm gonna look at my hand and as I write over here and over here, you can see these two little points, and now I'm gonna point them together. And now, no talking, just drawing. So, did you draw it? I think you did. So, let's draw our fishy's tail. You see that? That's cute. You did it too? Great. A small smile. Or maybe it's worried. Just forget about it. And now I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to draw its hands. I'm not drawing a shark, okay? And on the small side, I'm going to do the same. No need to rush. I can wait. Now let's do it. Three, 4. I did 4, so unfortunately on the downside, we're gonna do 4 too. And on the left side, 1. Just 1, okay? Or maybe 2. I did 2. If you want to do 2 too, just do it. Or if you made it a little bigger, you can do 3 or 4. Many lines it can fit in. Just do it. And now we're gonna draw a smile. Cute, right? And one thing I forgot. No need of colors. We're gonna do shading. So let's do it. I'm gonna do 4. Tell me how much you did. And one last touch. And now we're gonna put 3 bubbles. For the first one, I want you to draw it a little bit dark. You can make it light or medium tone. And now I'm gonna make the medium tone, because in the darker tone, I holded my pencil near its point. That's why it came dark. And now, on the bigger bubble, I'm gonna take my hand a little bit far from its tip. For the biggest bubble, to make a lighter tone. And for the last bubble, I want it to be the lightest. So, I'm gonna hold my pencil far from its tip, making it a little lighter. Or, if you had another idea, try it. It's gonna be good. And there you have it, a cute little fish. Tell its name.